In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make a web application with cards. There are two cards in the application for Python and JavaScript. I will show you step by step how to do the application. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I will create a card object. I create a label object in the card object. I am sending a text to the label function. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I created a web application with a card element. Now I will create a card object for JavaScript. I can do this by copy-pasting. I am making the necessary arrangements. I added two card objects to the web page. I will add the images now. I will use these images in the application. You can download the images from the GitHub page in the description section of the video. Now let's create the image. I am sending the Python image to the image function. I adjust the size of the image using the classes function. I will add the JavaScript image to the other card object by copying and pasting. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. I added both images to the web page, one under the other. Now I will add a card section object under the visual objects. To do this, I need to use the type property. I create a label object under the card section. I am sending a suitable text to the label function. I am saving the code file. I added a card section to the image object. I will do the same process for the other card object. I'm copying and pasting. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. I used the card section feature on both card objects. Now I will add the card object side by side. To do this, I use a row function. I am saving the code file. I added the card object side by side. Finally, I will add the expansion object to the card. I am sending text and icon values to the expansion function. I adjust the size of the object with the classes function. I am creating a label object. I am saving the code file. I added the expansion object to the web page. I will add the expansion feature to the other card object. I can do this by copy-pasting. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. I completed the web application. In this application, we learned how to use the card object. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.